When your kids seem to disrespect you, it's normal to feel frustrated. But respect isn't something you demand. It's something you build through understanding, modeling and connection. Here are 6 powerful strategies, drawn from parenting experts, to help you regain respect and strengthen your relationship. First, set clear boundaries and follow through consistently. Children don't come with innate respect. They need structure. By defining rules and consequences calmly, and communicating them during peaceful moments, you signal that you are trustworthy and serious. Consistent enforcement, stepping in early when disrespect happens, establishes a culture of accountability and respect in your family. Second, model respectful communication yourself. Speak politely, even when addressing inappropriate behavior. Don't embarrass or shame in public. Instead, calmly pull your child aside and explain. Using gentle but firm language teaches them how to treat others and demonstrates respect reciprocally. Positive Parenting Solutions emphasizes modeling respectful behavior daily. Children learn more from how we speak than from what we say. Third, offer alternatives instead of only saying no. For example, instead of shouting when you're upset, say, "Mom is frustrated and needs help." Sustainable parenting notes that suggesting acceptable alternatives reduces power struggles and guides children toward respectful behavior. Fourth, build connection through active listening. Give your child space to express themselves without rushing or interrogating with endless questions. When they speak, wait and ask open questions. This shows you trust their judgment and care about their perspective. Positive Parenting Solutions and child development psychologists agree. Slowing down fosters autonomy and respect. Fifth, teach empathy, boundaries, and social skills. Encourage polite words like please and thank you, and affirm their ability to set boundaries. You have the right to say, "I don't start like that." The Child Mind Institute and Janet Lansbury highlight that teaching empathy and self-awareness supports children in understanding both their own and others' feelings, which promotes genuine respect. Praise them when they show respectful behavior. It reinforces good habits. 6. Let them earn trust and independence through an authoritative parenting style, warm but firm. Psychologist Diana Baumrinn's research shows this balanced approach fosters independence, emotional health, and secure relationships. This means encouraging choices. Would you like to wear the blue shirt or the red one? Persian advice, or possibly parenting advice, suggests attaching privileges to responsibility and using when-then statements. When your homework is done, then you can watch your show. Remember, respect is nurtured, not demanded. Approach with empathy, consistency, and kindness, alongside firm limits. When children feel seen, heard, and trusted, while also understanding boundaries, they naturally grow to respect you. To wrap up, clarify your boundaries. Model respectful speech. Offer alternatives. Listen fully. Teach social skills and empathy. Balance warmth with responsibility. By weaving these strategies into everyday life, you'll see real changes, not just obedience, but mutual respect and connection.